fire department Con Edison right here at Nader Saeed's law office. They have the fan. We are not sure about what's going on here at this moment. Go and ask the chief what's going on. Okay. Go. Under the ground?
Yeah.
I am hearing that there was a smell of something burning underground where the Con Edison is working, and the fire department were called to inspect to make sure that everything is okay. A la gente que habla español preguntando qué está pasando, Con Edison llamó porque algo huelía a quemado abajo, a donde ellos están trabajando. De inmediatamente llamaron a los departamentos de bomberos y ellos llegaron para inspeccionar lo que está pasando. Los bomberos en este momento están adentro de la oficina de el señor Nader Saeed, la oficina de leyes. Y también están en el building al lado, allá adentro están. Now, déjenme mostrarlos a dónde están los trabajadores de Con Edison trabajando. Yeah, Con Edison is working. Con Edison is working right there. Something was smelling. Like burning, and they called fire department. Now the fire department is inside the building to check it out. Do you have an ugly side?
No.
You guys cannot see it because of the reflex, but they are coming out now. Probably they inspected and everything seems to be okay. This is 10 Palisade Avenue, right at the corner of Palisade and between Palisade and the parking lot. Ask the chief if everything is under control there. The young lady just arrived and she works for Nader Saeed, for Mr. Nader Saeed.
Second floor.
Now again, guys, let me make it clear that this, I don't think has anything to do with the law office. This call was triggered by Con Edison, who called because there was a kind of a smoking or burning smell coming from the underground where they were working.
Positive pressure.
So what did what the chief said?
Yeah, under control.
The chief just told us that everything is under control. Now this is a precaution measurement. They're just making sure that everything is okay. Yonkers Voice is always on the job to report to you what's going on the streets of Yonkers. Sometimes it's nothing, sometimes it's something. We have no control of the news, we just report the news, we don't make the news. It's the big fan just to make sure that they circulate whatever was smelling. So they should be turning that on at any moment now. Hold on. Let me go to the spot where the Con Edison is working. The chief is now talking to them. Let me see.
Just now,
Positive pressure, so I guess maybe more gas or something's coming out then instead of being neutral. Is that what it is?
Chief, you want to tell us what's going on here? So now everything is under control? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. As you heard it from the chief, everything is now under control. There was some wires burning underground. It was caught on time and everything is now under control.